Hi, I'm Laura Hart, and this is Simple Soldering. I want to do a butt join between this piece of 14 gauge wire that I'm using as a bail and my large silver medallion. This is fine silver, this is sterling silver. I have already filed the ends of the wire into a 45-degree angle so that it's a tighter fit with the round medallion. And I have already put some medium paste solder on my medallion. So I want to move the bail into position. The bail needs to be tightly touching the medallion with absolutely no air. So I'm kind of pushing it forward a little bit so that I know they're touching. And now I'm going to get my butane torch off with the safety feature, turn it on, make sure the flame stays on. My butane torch, the igniting system is done, so I am using a barbecue torch. And I've got this torch heat up as high as it'll go because this medallion is a lot of silver, and I want to make sure that I've got enough heat to do the job. So I'm heating the medallion. I'm not concentrating on the join. You have to heat the largest piece of metal first, and it just flowed, and now I want to touch it to the bail, draw the heat that way. I want to let the red leave the color red, let the piece cool down a little bit before I move it, and there you go, all soldered. I might have to do a little adjustment on the back, but that was pretty easy. Thanks for watching Simple Soldering, soldering a bail onto a medallion.